Hello, my name's Lita Hayes. I'm the Director of Marketing and Communications for Derek Hayes Law. I am here with Derek. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Derek, one of the frequent questions that we get at the law firm: how can social media hurt a personal injury case?
It's one of those things that a lot of people don't realize when they do post on, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any of those social media platforms, about a car wreck, for example. We'll go with that. I was involved in a wreck. I wasn't that badly injured. They may say that in the moment, but the next day they may find out that what they thought was not an injury turned into something much more severe that required medical treatment, required extensive therapies, whatever it may be. They may post on there that the insurance involved was this company or that company, things that are very negative when it comes to pursuing a claim. So social media can be a very bad thing from an insurance claim standpoint. Every single insurance company out there, regardless of how big they are or how small they are, will have a department go and do some social media investigating. They want to find out all they can about you.
I don't think people realize that.
No, they don't. Far too often, I'll take on a claim and somebody's posted pictures of the car, posted pictures of the injuries, made a comment about, thank God I made it through this okay. I'm not that badly injured. Again, in the moment, they may feel that way, but as they start the progression of therapies, treatments, whatever it may be, they realize that what they thought was not a minor problem is potentially a pretty bad concern.
But even putting their injuries, I was in a horrible wreck, or my parents were in a horrible wreck. We've seen that one recently. They're in the hospital, and they're just letting people know what has happened.
Absolutely. And I'm not a doctor, not a medical doctor, so I can't diagnose or treat my own injuries. Likewise, most people who are not doctors don't know the clinical terms, the way to discuss an injury specifically that we would present it eventually in a demand letter or in a litigation case that goes to a jury and to a trial to show exactly the extent and severity of those injuries. So posting on social media, I know you want your friends to know about what happened. I know you want them to know it's okay, that you're fine, potentially, thankfully not catastrophically injured or dead even, but call them. Talk to them other ways. Don't put it all out there on a social media platform for the entire world to see it. My job, part of my job as an attorney, is to be a filter. I know what insurance companies need to know, but more importantly, I know what they don't need to know. And far too often, if somebody goes out on social media and posts things, we do a lot of cleanup work. We have to go back and get rid of those things that could be detrimental eventually as we pursue the claim for them.
Thank you, Derek. Tell everyone how they can reach you.
Yeah, the best way to reach me is call my office. The number is 404-777-HURT. I'll be happy to discuss your potential claim with you. You'll talk directly with me. Unlike many other firms, I am the attorney and I am the one to speak with you. I'll be the one to pursue your claim. I don't rely on a staff to do all the contacts, communication with the clients. It's me directly.